Hi, today we're going to show you how to pair the Mi Smart Band 5 to a smartphone. It's very simple actually. So you see this QR code. You can find this in the user manual that comes in that comes with this particular box. All you have to do first you have to scan this QR code. So this is how you do it. We go to Google Lens, we scan this. This is the app that you use to pair to the device. Once again, continue. By the way, this is installing from the browser. I would always suggest that you go to the Play Store and install the app from there. Yes, still installing, as you can see, and pretty soon it'll open. Yeah. First of all, we have to sign in, or create a new login, which is the best thing to do right now. 1 second, I'm just logging in, I'm signing up. This will not take long, hopefully. Select language, that is UK recommended. Next, click on these all the dialog boxes that appear. You have to enter all your data, basically your height, your weight, everything. It's asking for it, which kind of makes sense since it's a fitness band. 1 second. Activity goal. Well, this is a very interesting part. You can actually choose an activity for you. Choose the number of steps you're going to do every day. You can go as low as 2,000 steps. You can go as high as 30,000 steps. Depends on your choice. Obviously, I'm not going to walk right now, so let's choose something conservative. 8,000 will do for now. And we are done. Clicking done again. Count steps using phone. Got it. Allow. Yeah. Over here you will see a small, I don't know if you can see this. As you can see, it's written here, no paired devices, tap to pair. So we're going to do just that. In this page you have 4 options: band, watch, scale, and smart shoes. Since this is a band, we're going to click on band. Agree. And we have, what do we have now? Turn on Bluetooth, of course. Now we have to switch this one on. Let's see how to do that. Okay, we have to charge this device now. This is how we do it. First we have to take this module out of the band first, which is kind of difficult to do. Let me just try it. And we have the charging cable right here. We're going to charge this device first. Let's do this very quickly, or rather put it on charge so that we can pair it. Yep, this goes here. This has a magnet attached to it, so it should click like this. Just saying. And we put this on charge. 1 second. I don't know if you can see this, but the device is now starting up. And let's try pairing the device once again. It's saying keep the band close to your phone. That's what we are doing. Let's see if this works. Confirm on band. Band hasn't received a pairing request. Let's see what the band is saying. The band is asking a question right now, which says pair with phone. I'm going to click yes. Paired successfully. And that is it. That is how you pair this device. I'll have to put it on to show you the individual features, but right now it's charging, so I can't really do that. But there you have it. That's how you pair the Mi Smart Band 5 with your smartphone. Thank you for watching.